Hey guys, today I'll teach you how to set up touch detection. First, install the plugin from the link in the description. Once that's done, go to Projects and enable this option. Add the Touch Detection Manager to your scene. Then connect the signals. This runs when you touch the screen. You can check the actions it returns here. Pause if you need to. Changing this option changes how the actions is returned. As you can see here, disabling this makes it not detect diagonal swipes. Let's test. Remember, this only detects when I hold down the mouse or swipe on phones. This detects combos like in fighting games. You can edit the combo interval time here. Let's test. This repeatedly detects the action and its position. You can change the time to detect a hold here. Let's test. That's it. Thank you for watching.